Never, ever, ever do this to your hair. And this is probably one of the biggest hair mistakes and #1 factors that's causing damage to your hair when you are blow drying it, okay? And I've seen this happen throughout my career as a professional stylist for many, many years, where I would start to see build up, I'd start to see breakage on my client's hair, and I'd say, you know, what are you doing? Like, what's causing all this damage to your hair? And then I would realize it's how they were using this improperly, the blow dryer, hairspray, and also a brush. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what you don't want to do, okay? So let's just say, even for the sake of the mannequin's hair, I don't wanna fry the mannequin's hair, so I'm just gonna demonstrate this without using any air, so I can also talk while I'm doing it. So here's the brush, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just brush through the hair, and let's just say I wanna blow dry the front, okay? So now I'm going to take the vent brush like this, and I'm just gonna sit here like this. And I'm not moving the brush whatsoever. I'm not moving the blow dryer. I'm literally singeing the hair. Now, if you do this for a few seconds, and look, I'll even demonstrate how long you should do it for. All right, so what you saw me do there was actually I would go in, lock it, use the blow dryer, move it back and forth, and then release and go back in again. And what I'm doing is I'm actually trying to set the hair without causing any damage to the hair. Now, what I do see, and you don't want to do this, is the opposite, where you literally just have this with the vent brush and the nozzle and the blow dryer and just have it sit like this to the point where you're literally just frying the hair for like, 45 seconds or a minute, and you take it out, and yeah, you may have some volume in there, but you're just destroying the hair. And then the worst thing you can do beyond that is you take the blow dryer, and then as you're blow drying their hair, you're spraying the hair like this with hairspray at the same time that you are using the blow dryer. So you're now singeing the hairspray into the hair, okay? So these are all things that I've seen throughout my career that really cause a lot of damage. Or like spraying on hairspray like this and then going over it with like a smoothing iron or a curling iron. You just really, really need to be careful. Another thing, once again, with the brush, where you just put the brush on the hair, wrap it in, and there's gonna be some tension on here because of some product from before, and then you just sit there and hold the nozzle on the brush like this for a long period of time to where you start seeing smoke. And yeah, you may get a lot of volume, but at the same time, what's happening is you're literally destroying and damaging the hair. So what you need to do is just do it in smaller intervals to where you lock it in. You can blow dry the hair like this, and you can work in a method and use a technique that's gonna really be a lot more safe for your hair, okay? So there's always alternatives. You can even use your hand. If you want to get some volume, you can cup the hand like this, okay? And then when you're done without any heat or anything, then you can spray it in like this. And then guess what? It's set, it's done. You don't have to worry about doing anything else after that, okay? That's why I say just set it and forget it. Use the hairspray. Once it's time for this, it's done. You're finished. The hairspray is designed to lock the style in place, and then you can move on, okay? Please let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. I do have these brushes here, as well as a variety of other styling tools and the blow dryer for sale at shop.thesalonguy.com. Make sure you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.